Hey my friends, welcome back. It's Deb from Bowl Me Over. Welcome to my kitchen. I know it's been forever and a day, but life happens when you're busy planning, right? So apologize for that, and I'm glad you're here with me today. I thought I'd start off today, since it again has been forever, with a super easy recipe. This is a staple in my kitchen. It is something I always have, and since I ran out, I thought what a great opportunity to show you how easy this is. And what we're going to make today is, on the blog it's called a chicken seasoning mix. It's really good on vegetables, like asparagus, over some asparagus when you're roasting it. Zucchini. It's great on chicken, obviously, whether you're grilling or frying, no matter. And then also pork or shrimp. It's really kind of an all-purpose. I don't use it a lot on beef. But if you're looking to add a little zest of seasoning, it's literally my go-to. I always have it in the cupboard. I encourage you to do the same, because I know you're gonna have all of these ingredients right in your pantry, in your spice mix drawer, or wherever you keep them. So let me walk you through what we're gonna need real quick. It's pretty simple. Pepper, ground black pepper. We're gonna use some salt, some sage, smoked paprika, cayenne, just a touch, onion powder, and garlic powder, and also chili powder. And when you hear the cayenne, when you hear the chili, it's gonna be hot, don't give me the jazz hands, because it really just adds flavor. It's a great background to this, and it's really easy to make. So let me show you how it is. I'm just gonna move a few things off to the side here. I think this video in its entirety will probably take maybe 10 minutes total, so no need even to stop the video. So anyway, we're gonna start with salt, and I have my notes here because there's so much, so many tiny little ingredients. But we're gonna use, I like to use kosher salt. I got a lump in my salt. There we go. And we're going to use just 1/4 cup. And if you're a little off here or there, that's not going to matter. I have these cool canning jars, and I've had them like forever and a day. And they sure come in handy for stuff like this, because they do seal. Makes it perfect just to stick. But you could use like a small jelly jar, a plastic Tupperware, whatever works for you. Okay, so next up, we're going to do garlic powder, and that is this one. We're going to need 3 teaspoons. So let me get those. Just going to level it off. That's 3 teaspoons there. If you're ever looking to give a gift, holiday season, that's a wonderful gift to give. A spice mix like that, how cool. Okay, I think yep, brand new. Okay, so here we need 3 teaspoons of sage. So let me get that. When I've given this as gifts, I do use a pretty jar, kind of like what we have here. See if I can get this out without making a mess. And I do what I'm trying to do here for you, which is layer it in, because it just looks so pretty. We need 3 teaspoons. So if you kind of move exchange colors each time as you go, you get a really neat layered effect. Okay. Onion powder. We need 3 teaspoons. Oh, wait. You know what? Let's do something. We got a lot of red here. We need chili powder. We just need 1 teaspoon of chili powder. I'm gonna do that next. Let's see. I'll get too busy trying to make it pretty, and then I'll spill the chili powder all over everything. Okay, onion powder. Back to 3 teaspoons. Two. 3. Perfect. Black pepper. I need 3 teaspoons there. How simple, right? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And let's see, we have cayenne and smoked paprika next. So the cayenne is a teaspoon. If you don't have cayenne, don't worry. You know, you can also just use some extra chili powder. That works just fine. And smoked paprika, 1.5. So we'll save these last 2 red things on the top. I do have my 1/2 teaspoon, but I'm gonna wing it. There we go. Pretty close. How simple is that? The best flavor, always the best flavor. Okay. See what I mean about being pretty and layering it like that? Doesn't that look super cool? Let me get closer to show you. Look at that, isn't that neat? It's perfect. Okay. So now that we have, that's all that's to this. I have this sealed really well. So now if you give it a shake, there's still enough room in my jar, especially when you shake it around a little bit. It'll mix together really nicely. How simple. That's all there is to it. I have recipes that specifically use this, but I can tell you this is my go-to. It's all stuff you have in your kitchen already. There's no need to go out and buy a big seasonal or something really fancy. And you know, the important thing about your seasonings is after time, you know, you're always shocked to see if you look at the expiration date. Even me, this is funny, even me, as much as I cook, this expired in May of 23. Is that going to affect the taste? A little bit. It's not going to be as spicy. It's not going to be as strong. But, you know, like, what good does it do to have something that you use that's already, you know, so why go buy something? I guess that's my point. Seasonal, when you have everything and you need to use it up anyway. Pretty simple, huh? Yeah, we won't look at the dates on all of these. That will just be embarrassing. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you love this simple recipe. I hope you try it. I hope you have it and keep it in your pantry. It is wonderful. That's it for me today. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.